Hi guys, by Dantino today on Aveneda Mediterano, and we have finally found out what that weird bridge top thing is. Let's go have a look. So you probably see many of Aveneda Mediterano things. Where we have walked past the bridge and been completely confused as to what it is. It is a billboard. It is, guys, not sure if you're picking up the effect, but it is a billboard just advertising Benidorm. Everyone must take in tons of different guesses to what it is, and here's what it is. Carrying on down the front, down Avenida Mediterano. Forgot where I was then. It's 30 degrees. We have some 37 degrees recorded actually. So as you can imagine, it is pretty darn hot. Me and Scooter Sue did bring some drinks up with us, but we have already drunk them. That's how hot it is. It is literally hot. We've both drunk a bottle of Scotch each that we had, and we're still hot. Think soon as we get home it'll be gear off, trunks on, going for a dip. Make sure you do stay tuned tonight for the Tuesday night live stream over on Benidorm Crazy Marcus YouTube channel. 7 o'clock here, 7 o'clock in England, 8 o'clock here in Spain. Come and join it for some fun, some games, some laughs and a quiz. Harry's bar here, good little bar. Make sure to check it out, guys. So I'm gonna love and leave you here. Go get myself a can of pop. Thanks for watching. Make sure to smash that like button, and I will see you in the next one. And subscribe so you don't miss it, guys. Love you all.